Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a hair net. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a ball of yarn, a crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. For comfort, choose a lightweight yarn, perhaps cotton or acrylic. A 4mm crochet hook is a good starting point for many yarn types. To begin, make a slip knot on your hook, then chain 4 stitches. Join the last chain to the first with a slip stitch, forming a small ring. This ring will be the very center of your hair net. Now, work 12 double crochet stitches into that ring to complete your first round. For the second round, chain 3, then double crochet twice into each stitch from the previous round. This will double your stitch count. Continue to increase stitches in each subsequent round, perhaps by adding 1 or 2 extra double crochets per section. Ensure your net lays flat as you work, adjusting increases as needed. Keep crocheting rounds, increasing as necessary, until the net is large enough to comfortably cover your hair. For a neat and durable edge, finish with a round of single crochet stitches all the way around. Once complete, cut your yarn, leaving about a 6-inch tail, and weave in all loose ends securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.